If you're not using fish emulsion yet, your plants are missing out on one of nature's most powerful organic fertilizers. Let's break down what it is, why it works, and how to use it for maximum results. What is fish emulsion? Fish emulsion is a liquid fertilizer made from the byproducts of processed fish. It's packed with key nutrients, like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, plus trace minerals and micronutrients that promote overall plant health. Best of all, it's fast-acting and 100% organic. Why it works. Plants love fish emulsion because the nutrients are in a form they can absorb quickly. It encourages lush leafy growth, strong roots, and better fruiting. It's especially great for nitrogen-hungry plants like leafy greens, tomatoes, and peppers. How much to use? Start with 1 to 2 tablespoons per gallon of water. For younger or delicate plants, stick to 1 tablespoon. For established, nutrient-hungry plants, go up to 2. Always mix well before applying. How often to apply? Apply every 2 to 3 weeks during the growing season. You can water it in at the base or use it as a foliar spray. Just make sure to apply in the early morning or evening to prevent leaf burn. Which plants love it? Tomatoes and peppers, for strong stems and better yields. Leafy greens, like kale, lettuce, and spinach, thrive on nitrogen. And houseplants gives them a natural, balanced boost. Seedlings and transplants helps reduce transplant shock. Watch your pH. Some plants are sensitive to pH, and fish emulsion can slightly acidify your water. Blueberries, azaleas, and hydrangeas prefer acidic conditions, so fish emulsion is perfect for them. But if you're growing plants like lavender, basil, or certain succulents, you might want to test your water's pH to keep things in balance. Ideal pH for most plants is 6.0 to 7.0. Bonus tip. Fish emulsion can smell, no lie, but it's worth it. Just don't overuse it too much. Nitrogen can cause leafy growth, but delay flowering or fruiting. So if you want stronger roots, greener leaves, and healthier plants, skip the synthetic stuff and go with nature's solution. Fish emulsion. Stinky, but seriously powerful. Hit that subscribe button for more plant care tips that actually work.